Okay, we're here in Los Angeles. We have a sloping driveway towards the garage. We have one rain gutter downspout and a second rain gutter downspout. They were depositing water right here. Previously, they had a slimmer challenge drain that was overflowing due to the large amount of water accumulating here. What we have done, we connected the rain gutter downspout into a solid separate line. We installed a deeper and a wider channel drain. We connected this rain gutter downspout as well into a solid line as well, and everything is heading to a new sump pump pit 6-7 feet deep, and we diverted everything to the street. Perfect.